this one, mixing them both together, and that's what I used on my hair today. Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is I, Tolamamus, and I am back again with another Jericho hair related video for you guys. So guys, it has been a minute, it has been a long hour, okay, before since I did anything Jericho hair related on my channel. I just wanted to, like, don't be offended if that's what you have been expecting from me, but you haven't been saying that. I just wanted to explore myself in other areas of YouTube so that, like, I can, like, okay, this is what we're doing on YouTube. So no, I'm still doing Jericho hair related videos for you guys on YouTube. I'm still going to be doing things fashion, but in the kind of way that is like, you know what happened in my friend's wedding, like my classmate's wedding, you know, that kind of fashion life, yeah. And lifestyle vlogs, those are the kind of things. So if you do love those kind of stuff, after watching this video, go ahead and enjoy yourself. So today, in this particular video, what we're going to be doing is that I'm going to be answering all the questions that many people have been asking me in the comment sections about several of my videos relating to Jericho hair, and I've been answering them in the comment section. So, but I know that it's not everybody that is seeing that answer that I'm giving. It's not even everybody that's even seeing the question in the first place, except maybe they just wanted to, like, check. But let me just do this all in one video so that you could, like, enjoy it. Okay, all right, let's get into it. Get into it.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful
world. Question for Jericho hair. This country is too hot. For Jericho hair, first off, this one is by Ifoma Ewa, and she said, I was thinking of doing Jericho hair, but no one to do it for me. Thanks for uploading this. Please, after she washed your hair before applying the relaxer, did she let your hair dry or did she apply it wet? She applied it wet. What she's referring to is the video that I did on 11 steps to 11-step process to Jericho hair. There was a part whereby at the beginning stage you wash your hair and want to apply the relaxer. That's how it works for Jericho hair. But the thing is that they don't allow the hair to dry. Why it's still wet? Why they just, like, damp it with towel so there's no water dripping out to apply it, to apply the relaxer. The next question is by Charlotte Kuranchi. I'm sorry if I get your name wrong. I apologize. Please don't come for me, okay? Don't judge me. Said, when you're not combing it out, how do you make it not look light? Say, when you're not combing it, how do you make it not look light? Well, for me, I use a 2-mouth comb. Do you know, like, take home that kind of stuff? That's what I use most times to, like, make it, like, give it this kind of fake afro look. That's what I do. So I apply my curl activator. I use the take home comb, and when my hair is in that mid area whereby it's not wet, it's not dry, it's just there, like, you don't see one afro that, you know, say, I don't have a take home, so don't be looking at this hair and be like, okay, where's the afro? Another one was by sorry, some of them I just screenshotted them, so some are comments that just things saying thank you, love your video, stuff like that. I really do appreciate that. Thank you so much. So somebody was asking me, like, she said her Jericho hair breaks, that how can she fix it? Guys, before I answer this question, I have to make something very clear. I am not a professional hair person, okay? I'm just someone who is very observant with what she has experienced while doing Jericho hair, and I sometimes do make my own mom's Jericho hair. I'm not like a professional. I didn't go to school or study the act of Jericho, just get that clear. But she told me that hair was breaking, and I have experienced this a couple of, like, I think the first 2 years of my Jericho experience, I was experiencing this a lot. I didn't even understand why, and it was so annoying and frustrating. So I just told her a couple of things. The first thing I told her was to check if there was any new products that she started using that made her hair to like break, because that happened for me. I was using a particular mayonnaise something and it was breaking my hair. The second thing I asked was if her relaxer is kept for too long, and that also happened to me. It was getting kept on my hair for too long and it was making my hair too cut. So that's one. And the third one was basically more of like, what do you do, like what kind of hair do you make? Because over time, when you do a lot of heat hair, that there is a lot of heat damage and stuff like that, maybe you're exposing your hair too much to the sun, it could start weakening and it could start breaking. Okay, that is what is happening. That's what happens most of the time with this stuff. Somebody asked, said I just started growing my natural hair for Jhericurl. Oh, that's nice. It's nice when I see that people are like in natural hair, and natural hair can be like, hey, and I'm gonna be like, no, I'm moving over to that side, honey. Okay, let's continue. How many inches of hair is long enough for Jhericurl? Okay, so yes, a lot of people will tell you that they are trying to transition. Some people cut their hair from top to bottom just because, and they try to like grow it to a certain length before they start off Jericho. If you want to do that, no problem. I'm sorry, that question was by Olafisoye Atinuke Olaide. But the thing about it is that Jericho hair doesn't really require any much length to be Jericho hair. The only thing about that, if your hair is too short, the roller will not be able to like pick it up. But there is this kind of comb. There's a way they use a tooth mouth comb to like use it, and there will be curls. So there is really no specific length needed for your Jericho hair to be like to get started. This one is quite long. It's by Ajibose Hafusatu. Said I am also on Jhericurl, but I use Hollywood Kids instead, and it comes with shampoo and everything I need for the process. Yes, I would like to know what product you use, like shampoo and conditioner on wash day. I was told Jhericurl has its own product to reduce damage, but so far I haven't seen any. Okay, so this is one issue that a lot of newbies or even people who have been doing Jhericurl hair for a very long time have issues with, and that is the shampoo and the conditioner. Everybody has passed through this. Passed through this very well. So she asked what I use. Currently what I'm using is the Cantu shampoo and the Cantu conditioner. Those are the two that I'm using. But let me tell you, the love of my life when it comes to shampoo to use to wash my hair is the Hair Wonder shampoo. Lord, I use that thing for a while. I bought it because I didn't see any good one that I could trust, and I decided to buy that one. Lord, it was so good. But after COVID came, lockdown came, everything came, I haven't been seeing it in the place that I bought it. And I'm a really picky person when it comes to buying stuff like that, because I don't want to buy the fake. And for conditioner, yes, the Cantu conditioner is also good. I'm not saying that Cantu is not good, but I'm just saying that the one that I used that I really enjoyed, and my hair was happy with me, was the Hair Wonder. If you have a way to access Hair Wonder shampoo, go for it. The conditioner, I haven't used it, so I can't recommend that, but I would recommend Cantu conditioner instead, honey. Okay, so always make sure you buy things that are related to Jhericurl hair. This will be the last question I'm taking, and this is from Opara Charles. Said, what will you do if sun makes your curls undefined? What is the solution? I don't really understand this question in the sense that the sun makes your curls undefined. The sun doesn't make my curls undefined. For me personally, it makes my curls to dry as ugu, like spinach that is dried up. Like, you just have this sound in it, and I don't like that. So what I always do is that's why I'm always recommending to have a very good curl activator, and make sure you have a very good curl activator. That's what I would always recommend. But this one of saying, okay, maybe from your own experience, this one is making your own hair, your curls undefined, I would say the same thing. Get a very good curl activator that can withstand the African sun. That's what. And on that note, let me just tell you guys the new stuff I'm using right now, because I change products. I like to experiment and see what is in the market, especially now that Jack 5 is 2.5. Like, what's up? What's the happen? So let me just show y'all. One sec. So I'm using the Glow Shine coil activator. This is what I use first thing in the morning, and I got it for 1.7 in Asaba, Nigeria, and I'm using the Jericho coconut oil. Funny enough, one subscriber actually told me about this thing, but when I bought this thing, guys, I lied to you not, it was only this place I was looking at. My eyes did not, this place is very clear. I was not looking at it. I only saw coconut oil because for me personally, I love coconut products because it just gives my hair this scent that I really like. Apart from my perfume and stuff like that, I just really like it. And so far I use this one first to get my curls on, make it all coily, all soft. Then I use this one as the holder. This one is almost done. You know when I showed you guys this one, my 10k coil activator collection, that's when I showed you guys. See where it is now. I don't share for me time because of this thing, but I just started using this one, mixing them both together, and that's what I used on my hair today. None of them are sponsored. I don't know anybody. I don't know where did they make you. Imagine USA, imagine USA. I don't know this. Guys, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you did learn something from it. And yeah, if you really do want to get on the Jericho hair experience, you want to start your journey, and maybe you're based in Asaba, Nigeria, I can really introduce you to somebody who, the person that does my own, so that you could have a very chill experience. But if you are not here and you have someone somewhere else, I advise that you really find out from the customers what's their own experience with the hair and so on and so forth. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video because I enjoyed filming it, even though I'm sweating like a blizzard. Don't
what?
I'm making you think I not enjoyed this video. Okay, I enjoyed filming it, and please give me your suggestions of the next kind of Jericho hair related video you want to see in the description, in the comment section, and I'll work towards that. Have a great day, great week, and a great life, and I will see you in the next one. Next one is on Sunday, so watch out for Sunday, okay?